Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel makhana at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of makhana, also known as fox nuts, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Heat a wide pan over medium flame, then add the ghee. Once melted, add the makhana. Stir constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become perfectly crisp and crunchy. This step is crucial for the best texture. Next, let's create that delicious caramel. In a separate pan, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Heat this mixture over medium flame. Resist the urge to stir it, just let it bubble and cook until it turns a beautiful golden brown color. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Once your caramel is a rich golden brown, immediately add the roasted makhana to the pan. This step requires speed. Gently but quickly toss and stir the makhana, ensuring every piece gets a generous coating of the warm, sticky caramel. You'll want to work efficiently, as the caramel will start to harden within about 30 seconds. Spread them out on parchment paper to cool. After coating, spread your caramel makhana onto a sheet of parchment paper to cool completely. This helps prevent them from sticking together and ensures a perfect crunch. Once cooled, transfer them to an airtight container. They will stay fresh and delicious for up to 7 days, making them a fantastic snack. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.